Alright guys, on today's video, we are playing an engine knock. Hear that thing knocking away? Let me feed you down in there, hold on. It's pretty loud, huh? He's knocking and he wants to come out. Should we let him out? Or should we leave him in there? Wow, listen to that thing. I think it's time to rip it apart. I said I think it's time to rip it apart and see what's going on. Ooh. Yeah, he's not happy. Oh well, I'm gonna end this video here. Just wanted to see if you can hear that. Have a good one.